Hello everyone. So I've been away for a little while, I know, but we've got some very exciting news. We are back in the convent. We've got Mo here.
Hello.
So we have managed to buy the kitchen and we've actually got it here. So today we are going to start getting it put up. We won't be able to finish it today because we started quite late. But we want to get everything upstairs. We've got Yanis here helping to bring it up the stairs. And then so we're going to get it started. We can't fit it all at the moment because we do need to make sure that all of the plumbing fittings are there ready before we put any cabinets fixed to the wall. So I'm going to explain to you in a minute exactly what we've gone for. It's not very easy with those stairs, is it?
We need to change the stairs, put lift.
Yeah.
We want to be sponsored by IKEA, but I don't want.
So that was a bit of a giveaway. So we went for the IKEA kitchen in the end, didn't we?
Yeah.
Much quicker, faster, haven't got to wait for anything to be made.
Yeah.
And
So we need just to build it
yes.
together.
You've done it before, haven't you?
Yeah.
So that's good. So we've got some of the details here of the kitchen. I thought I'd show you so you get a better idea of what we've got. So here is the layout. It's not exact because we were in a massive rush when we got to IKEA because there was nobody to help and we were just wanting to get the right measurements of the cabinets, but obviously the room, it's not right. But so we've got here sink and dishwasher unit with 3 glass cabinets. So that is going here in this area. There. And then we've got the oven, hob, drawers here, double cabinet, single cabinet, and then here we had like a weird space in the middle and they didn't do any cupboards that would go deeper so that they would touch. So what we've had to do is just leave a gap here, and then here we've got some sort of like pull-out drawer on the end.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah.
But as you can see the price there, 3,213.99 centimes. So when we were building it in IKEA, because you've got the like computers there and they show you, they help you to build it and give you all the right cabinets and stuff. We were building it and it was like nearly 9,000 euros at one stage.
Yeah, because
and we were like, what is this? Because you go around IKEA and you see all the kitchens all set up and it's like 4,000 for that whole kitchen. So in the end, we started taking off stuff because we didn't want any of the handles from IKEA because they didn't have the colours, so we took the handles off. We didn't get the worktop from IKEA because they're really expensive there compared to like the hardware stores here. So we have literally got the cupboards, the doors, and nothing else. So what we are going to do is, once we've set it up and got it put on the wall over there and all the plumbing and the electrics properly where they should be, we'll get the work surface and the handles and then like the sink and the dishwasher and that sort of thing. But yeah, we are just happy to be able to get that bit in to see how it works. And yeah.
is there any more?
C'est bon.
Finish. Okay. That's nice. Ah, what did you do? ouais. Attends, faut te faire une idée. Sonner. Junior.
So with the IKEA kitchen, everything is white except from the doors, and then they give you black stuff to cover the white. It's a bit annoying, really.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
just to quickly explain what I was just saying to Mo, here, these pieces of black bits are what they give you to cover any white that shows up outside of the kitchen. Inside of the cabinets is white.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that true, Yanis?
Yes. I don't need this. I don't need this, but I will just see if we have everything.
So I'm not going to film everything, guys, because it's going to be a long process. But we'll film bits and bobs of it going up.
Just film it on time lapse.
Mo has got to go to the osteopath in like 1 hour,
Yeah.
so we're not going to get much done today.
I have a bad back.
Yeah. And I am not getting involved in this because it will end in a big argument, won't it, Mo? Huh?
What?
If I start doing it, you're going to shout at me because I'm doing it wrong.
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
So I'm better off watching you, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Strong. Sylvester Strong.
The kitchen.
What do I name this?
Was I what?
Show the house. Mr. Wanger, no?
Mo,
Yeah.
can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Where's your screwdriver?
Huh? Now I need screwdriver. It's here, look. Always have it. Because sometimes, you know, you don't trust the machines. You
I
need to
can
use
run
your
out of
hand.
battery.
Yeah.
So, this is one of the floor cupboards for the island, I believe. Don't know which one it is yet.
I don't think, maybe, you know, with IKEA, you can't know which is. We need to build them all,
yeah.
and then we see on the plan
I
which
think
one.
this is one of the units that go next to the oven and the hob.
Maybe
It
one
looks-
of them.
or it could be one of the end single cabinets.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So
that
anyway,
one's built.
that one.
Apart from
ready.
it needs legs on it.
Yeah, we're gonna
It needs
move
its
with-
feet. So this is the second one. It's the same as what they just built. What's the time? I don't want to miss your appointment.
What's the time in Chassa? What's the time?
Attends.
Oh, c'est...
Ouais.
Kupits. What's the time?
Who's that?
I said, what's the time? I didn't ask you to show your girlfriend. Yes. Oh.
Who is it?
It's my boyfriend.
Your girlfriend?
Girlfriend. On va refaire.
Yeah.
No.
Like girlfriend.
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 Ah. What's her name?
Ashley.
And she's you found each other through YouTube, through the video.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ici.
This is a bit a heavy one.
This is a bigger one.
I think we need to finish with that one.
The small ones.
Small ones like
Yeah.
that, and then put the big one.
And what time is your appointment? How long?
3:30.
It's just in here in the village.
Yeah, an hour.
Okay. Good. We have time to do more then. So, this is what we've built so far, or Mo and Yanis have built. We are not sure which cabinets they are yet, so we need to get them all built. I do know that this is one of the wall cabinets with the glass doors, but we haven't got that much more to put together because it's not that much of a big kitchen. So Mo's got his appointment now, so we're going to go and do that, and then I've got to go and sort the horses out. So I'll come back here tomorrow morning early, first thing, and we'll get all of it put together, and then we can then get all the doors and put all the coverings and everything on it and put it where it's supposed to go. But yeah, I'm excited. We'll see you all again tomorrow.